In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check spelling in Excel. Let's get started right in your worksheet. First, place your cursor where you want the spell check to begin by clicking the cell that makes the most sense for your review. This tells Excel where to start scanning for mistakes. If you click a specific cell, Excel will begin there and move through the rest of the sheet. If nothing is selected, it typically checks the active sheet from the top. This is helpful when you're working with long tables or notes and want to control the flow of the review. Next, head to the ribbon at the top of Excel and go to the Review tab. This tab is your home base for proofreading tools, comments, and protection features. If you don't immediately see it, make sure your window isn't minimized and that you're on the correct worksheet. Once you're in Review, you're in the right place. Now click Spelling. Excel will start scanning the text it finds, usually in cells, comments, and certain objects, and it will pause whenever it encounters something it doesn't recognize. You'll see a dialog showing the flagged word, along with suggestions Excel believes are correct. This is where you can make a judgment call. Double-check context in the sheet to be sure a suggestion actually fits what you mean, especially for things like product names, abbreviations, or proper nouns. Excel's dictionary is good, but it can't always guess your intent. When you're confident about a correction, click Change to apply the selected suggestion to that cell. Excel will immediately move to the next potential issue. If there are no more issues in the current area, it will continue through the rest of the sheet. If you started partway down the page, Excel may ask if you want to continue checking at the beginning. Choose based on whether you've already reviewed that earlier section. A couple of quick tips while you work. If you accept a change and realize it wasn't right, don't worry. You can press undo to revert it. Also, remember that Excel's spell check focuses on text. Numbers, formulas, and calculated results aren't evaluated for spelling. If your data includes mixed content, it helps to glance at headers and labels where typos are most visible. When the review is complete, Excel will let you know there are no more spelling errors. That's it. You've checked your sheet for mistakes, corrected them with change, and kept your data looking professional and clear.